Hey guys, I'm Thomas. In this video I'm going to be teaching you the basics of piano. I have 5 great exercises for beginners, and by the end of the video you will be able to play your very first song. So let's get started. If you already know the notes, you can skip ahead. If not, no worries, it's really simple. The truth is we only have 12 different notes, and in most cases we only need 7. And the notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And after that we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and again A, B, C, D, E, F, G across the board. No matter if we have a full-size 88 key piano or a smaller keyboard with 72, 64 or less keys. So how do you find the notes by yourself? Great question, great news. Our piano has always a group of 2 and a group of 3 black keys. We need to choose the group of 3 black keys, go to the middle note, then to the white key on the right. That's the A. And it's true for every group of black keys. 3 black keys, you pick the middle one, go to the right, that's the next A. And from there you can find any key you want. Let's say we want to find the note C, then we pick the middle one for a group of 3, go to the right, then A, B, C. Here it is, our C. But I know it can help to have some form of support at the beginning of the piano journey. And that's why I created a small piano starter package for you. It's free. Click the button here that says click here, and then you get to my website werdemusiker.de. There you can enter your first name and email address so that I can send you the free piano lessons right to your email inbox. Pause the video real quick, do this now, and then we can go on with the lesson here. Okay, let's start with our song and the first exercise. We place our right thumb on the note A. And the left hand also plays the A, but with the pinky finger. And all other fingers should be placed on the keys next to each other. Yeah, not somewhere here, but really to the next note that you can play A, B, C, D, E. In the left hand also A, B, C, D, E. This is called the A position. The good news is our hands will stay in this position for the entire song. For the first exercise, our left hand plays the pinky finger and thumb. Pinky finger and thumb. This can be a huge challenge because the pinky finger is a weak finger at the beginning and it's harder to control. So pause the video now and repeat this 10 times to make this work. Okay, great. Next, the right hand plays thumb, middle finger. Thumb, middle finger. That's a little easier. But you should also repeat this now for 10 times. For the next step, we play both hands together. Left pinky finger, left thumb, right middle finger. Repeat this also now for at least 10 times. Pinky finger, thumb, middle finger. Great! If you made it, you can be very proud. To make it even sound better, let's press the pedal. If you have more than one, press the one on the right. Now let's play again, and then it sounds like this. And when we play it a little faster, it sounds like this. Or even faster than it sounds like this. Take your time now and repeat this as often as you need. It's totally normal if it takes some time, but after a couple of minutes you should notice some progress. Okay, let's go on with exercise 2. It's exercise number 2 out of 4 exercises that we have in this lesson. It's very similar to the first one. So, in the first one we played pinky finger, thumb, middle finger. This time we don't play the middle finger, but instead we play the pointer finger. So it looks like this. Pinky finger, thumb, thumb, pointer finger. Pinky finger, thumb, thumb, pointer finger. Repeat this also now for at least 10 times, and then we will play both piano patterns together. Pattern number 1 4 times, and then pattern number 2 4 times. And this sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! It starts to sound really good, right? So, but it will get even better. Let's go on with our third piano pattern. And surprise, our third piano pattern is exactly the same as our first one. So, we can go on with our fourth pattern. It's also very similar to the first one, but this time we play the ring finger in the right hand. So it looks like this. Pinky finger, thumb, thumb, ring finger. Pinky finger, thumb, thumb, ring finger. Repeat this also now for at least 10 times, and then we can go on with the next exercise. For the next exercise, we play all 4 piano patterns together, and we play each one for 4 times. Let's start with our first pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fourth one. 1, ring finger. 2, 3, 4. And if you manage to play it a little faster, it sounds like this. Wow! If you made it to this point, you can be really proud of you, because usually it's not that easy to play something like this at the beginning, but I try to make it as easy for you as possible. And you already practiced a lot, so you can be really proud. For the next exercise, I prepared a small starter package for you. Click the button on the bottom left here or visit my website werdemusiker.de. I'm really looking forward to meet you. You can always send me an email, and I also reply to every single one I receive. I love to hear from my piano students. Starting to learn the piano was the best thing I've done in my entire life, and I'm sure you will love it too. So make sure to visit my website now, and in just a few minutes you will have access to your free piano starter package.